If your grammar looks too stiff, you're in for a lift. Let's talk about ain't. The word ain't is the ultimate contraction in English. It's like a Swiss army knife for negations. Instead of saying, I'm not going, you can simply say, I ain't going. Easy, right? And it doesn't stop there. You can use ain't for is not, as in she ain't here, or for are not, like they ain't ready. Oh, and let's not forget have not and has not. He ain't finished his homework yet, or we ain't seen that movie. Super versatile, right? But remember, while ain't is your best buddy in casual chat, it's often considered a no-go in formal writing. Think of it as a cozy pair of sweatpants, not something you wear to a job interview. So next time you are hanging out with friends, don't be afraid of throwing an ain't. Just keep it out of those essays. Ain't that cool?